For liposuction, it depends on how big a space you're doing and how much you're doing. If you're doing a larger area, you can pretty much depend. You can expect a couple days of being pretty sore, and then usually 2 to 3 weeks of recovery time. As far as somebody comes up and grabs you by the waist. If you've had liposuction in the waist, it's gonna get your attention. But as far as having to take off from work and those kind of things, you can have liposuction on a Friday and be back to work on Monday. And unless you're working construction or something like that, you can get back to work pretty quick. Another question that we get a lot is does the fat come back? And the whole theory behind fat in the body is that we're all born with a certain number of fat cells. And so theoretically, if we have 100 fat cells, and you remove 20 of those, if you gain a lot of weight, what's going to happen? Well, those 20 are out of the picture, so the other 80 are going to have to compensate. So in most cases, if you gain weight after liposuction, you're going to gain it in hips, legs, or shoulders. But generally it doesn't. And in the place that you had liposuction, because there are some fat cells left there, it can get a little bit lumpy.